So today I'm going to be creating a card using the Penny Black Cling Stamp Winter Garden and the Star Noel die. So I'm just going to put this to one side for the moment because I need to stamp my image first. Now I'm going to be using Fabriano Studio Watercolour paper for this project, and it's £140 25% cotton paper. So I've popped that into my MISTI ready, and I've masked off just slightly higher than halfway across my stamp, because I'm not going to stamp the whole of the image, I'm only going to do a section of it. So then what I'm going to be using is I'm going to be using my Fade Out No Line Colouring Detail ink from Ink on 3. So again, I only need to ink the top section of this because I'm going to go for a no line colouring effect on this design. So I'm going to stamp this a few times so that I get a nice impression, because as you can see, my first impression, you can barely see it. So I'll just give this a couple of goes until I actually get something that I can see to colour with. You can see it's beginning to form now how I want it to. I'll just let that soak into that cotton paper a bit more. And because it's on the cotton paper, it does need a few more impressions to just really get that image to show enough to be able to colour it carefully. So you can see now we've got the first half of our impression done. So I'm just going to take this out of my MISTI and I'm going to start working on the first section. Okay, so to begin, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to outline all these little circles in the centre of these little flower pieces here with my Chameleon Fineliner GR1. Then I'm going to take my water brush and I'm just going to soften those little bits there. So I'm just going to go in and just add some brighter green in here, now that I've got that definition, just to those bits, just very quickly there. So now that I have those in place, I'm going to let those just dry for a few moments, and I'm going to work on some of the other areas. So I think I'm going to take this really nice dark green and just do a couple of little bits in here, and then I'm going to pull that colour out into my design. I think just don't want it to be quite as dark, so I'm just gonna, and I don't even have to be overly careful with this, because the Ink on 3 ink on this paper just keeps that definition of some of those little bits for me, so I can just literally ink away and it automatically fills in those bits for me. Almost has like a resist effect to it, which is quite nice and cool, really. So I'm going to be using the lipstick red colour for my berries. Now what we're going to do is we're going to need to do that, I want a different tone if I can, for my sort of holly leaf here. So you can see how that Ink on 3 is actually grabbing the pigment from my design and just giving it that really soft watery effect. I think I'm going to start off with a bit of sepia. I want that darker tone, and then we'll warm it up as we go along. And this is a very, very pale, sort of almost like a soft yellow colour. Okay, so now we have our first half here that's been done. Okay, so then what we're going to do is we're going to repeat that on the other side. Add a few splatters with some watered down ink. Then using a tea ruler, I'm going to draw a couple of lines with my black fineliner pen on each side, just to create a border. Okay, so now I need to die cut my word Noel. So I have some really nice deep burgundy red card here. And I'll just run that through my die cutting machine. Now, by leaving the actual die pieces stuck together, it actually gives me a really good template for when it comes to sticking this all together. Right, so I'm just going to stick my post-it note across here so that it doesn't move whilst I'm sticking in my N. So I'm just going to take my red Chameleon pen and my fine liner, and I'm just going to run that down. So this is RD4. And just adding a little bit of diamond stickles, just to add a bit of sparkle. And there we are, one finished card with a very, very soft focused design to it. Thanks for watching.